3.05, Model B. Identify the center of dilation, x and y, and the scale factor, k, that were used to dilate triangle ABC to triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually identify all the points of triangles. So point A is at 6, 2. Point B is at 4, 4. Point C is at 8, 4. A prime is at, let's say, 2.5, comma, 0. B is at 1.5, comma, 1. And finally, C prime is at, looks like it's 1, 2, 3.5. F1 still. All right, now what I'm going to do is actually identify the difference between A to A prime. So A to A prime, we have 6 to 2.5, it's 3.5 away, and 2 is our y-axis. So B to B prime, that is 4 to 4.5, which is 2.5, and 3 on the y-axis. Finally, C prime is 4.5 away on the x-axis and 3 away on the y-axis. Just make sure my numbers are right real quick. Yeah, okay, that looks good. All right, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to find a scale factor first. So K equals, and we can do that, I'm going to do that by identifying a straight line. So from B to C, we can see how far B to C is. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4 over. Well, our new shape, it's at a halfway point. So we go 1 to the halfway point and 1 more of a halfway point. So our new triangle is 1/2 the size of our old. And for some reason my key's not working. There we go. So our scale factor is 1/2. Now I'm going to use these numbers down here. So our A to A prime, we're 3.5 away on our x-axis. So if we know that it's 1/2, that it got close by 1/2, we can look at our A point, which is here, and this difference right here is 3.5. So if you multiply this by 2, that's how far away our original A point was on the x-axis. So 3.5 times 2 is 7. We're originally on the 6. So 7 away from 6 is at -1. So let's just mark that at -1. Okay. See what else happens with the other points. So 2.5 on the B. Well, 2.5 times 2 is 5. So 5 away from 4 is -1 again. Let's try C. 4.5 times 2 is 9. 9 away from 8 is, guess what? 1. Sorry, -1. Let me erase these points and draw a straight line at -1. Now we know that our x, oops, is that wrong? There you go. Our x coordinate is going to be -1. Let's do the same thing for our y coordinates. So 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 away from our A. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is -2. So memorize -2 right now. Whatever, I'll mark it. It looks like -2 is our number. Oh, what am I good to go? Highlighter. There we go. -2. B coordinate. It's 3 away. So 3 times 2 is 6. Sorry, the difference is 3. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 away from 4 is -2. And C, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 with -2. Sorry, from 6 away from 4 is -2. So we have the same thing. And I'm just going to draw a straight line through -2. And now we can see where our intersection is. Our intersection is at -1, comma, -2. So our center of dilation is equal to -1, comma, -2. I think I said -1, 2 earlier. It's -1, -2. and that is model B. So this one's a little more challenging. So the first thing I want you to do is identify the points of both triangles. Find the difference of all those points, all right? And then try and find the scale factor, which you can do by, I did it by finding a straight line that we could easily count out, which I thought was 1/2, which means that this the big triangle is 2 away, so it's 2 times further away. So our small triangle got closer to our point. That's why it's 1/2. And then I used our points from our other one, from our main triangle, to figure out how far away we had to go.